Police emergency.
The police force never sleeps. There's always something happening or someone to help. And a cop never knows what kind of emergency they'll need to attend next. PC Carla Rossi has been called to an incident on the side of the road. There have been reports of a dangerous issue. Horses. The horses aren't actually very dangerous, but it is illegal to keep them there. If a horse broke away, it could run into the road and cause an accident. The horses don't seem too worried though.
You don't look very stressed, do you?
The owners have left them here to feed on the grass.
To them it's free grass, so they just leave them tied up, they graze round, then they'll move them on.
Giving horses water isn't normally on PC Rossi's to-do list.
Go on then, go drink.
But because people call the police in all kinds of situations, she expects the unexpected.
When everything else fails, we call the police, because they'll know what to do. And I just think it's quite funny really, because we're kind of jack of all trades really.